Shalom everyone and welcome to Daniel Fast Dishes featuring veggie burgers. Here are the ingredients. Sauteed broccoli florets, sweet orange, red and yellow peppers, peeled garlic, kidney beans, black beans, pinto beans, ground flaxseed, roasted garlic and herb seasoning, and coconut oil. Cut, season, and saute the vegetables. Pulse or puree the seasoned sauteed vegetables in a blender. Season and saute the beans. Smash the beans with a fork. Add water to the ground flaxseed. Stir until it is a pasty consistency. Add the vegetable mix to the flaxseed mix and stir until it is a pasty consistency. Add the vegetable and flaxseed mix to the beans and stir until it is a pasty consistency. Make patties and place them on a cooking sheet. Place them in the oven and cook until the patties are brown and solid. Remove from oven when done and place the veggie burgers on a plate for serving. These veggie burgers are great for lunch and dinner. For more Daniel Fast dishes, check out the Daniel Fast playlist on my channel. And I'll look forward to sharing more Daniel Fast dishes with you real soon. Shalom.